No, this is not phrenic. This is phrenic. Yung hinawa ko kanina, ito sa vagosympathetic. This is phrenic. Connecting to C5, C6 dapat, pero in their case, and then actually in some of your cats, nakita ko, kumukonect minsan sa C4. This already C4, this one. So, that's weird. Pero, if I remember correctly, may note nga sa manual, sometimes connects to C4. Pero yung connection sa C4 mostly sa rabbit daw.
Rabbit.
So, in any case, this one is C5. So this one here, so umpisa natin sa madali. Radial nerve, this one, radial nerve. You have over here the musculocutaneous, this one, musculocutaneous. Notice musculocutaneous arises from T1, connects to here.
Sir, T1.
Ganito lagi yung kanyang innervation. T1, this is musculocutaneous. Then this one here, this is your median nerve. Notice may tatlo siyang branch, di ba? 1, 2, 3. Kita? 1, 2, 3.
Part of... Sir, musculocutaneous sa T1 po.
So this one, 1, 2, 3, yung tatlong yan. This one here, it connects to C7, C8, T1. Kita? Ang init. So C7, C8, T1. Yun yung connection nila. So, ibig sabihin on this, median nerve. So, medial cutaneous, median nerve. Then, notice over here, yung natira, ulnar nerve, also arises from T1. Kita?
Sir, medial cutaneous Sir, medial...
No, medial cutaneous, median nerve, ulnar nerve. Ano ba sinabi ko? Medial cutaneous.
Musculocutaneous.
So, sorry, this is medial cutaneous, ulnar, median nerve. Notice the ulnar will arise directly from T1. Kita? So yung tatlong yun, kita? The three. Median nerve, ulnar nerve, medial cutaneous. Then radial nerve, this one. Notice, ito yung isa pang madaling nerve na ma-identify. This is musculocutaneous. Notice it forks like this. This forking here, this entire thing, that's musculocutaneous. It forks near this muscle. The biceps. Kita? Kita?
Yes, sir.
Yung between radial and the musculocutaneous on this part, this axillary. Axillary. So axillary nerve should arise from C7. So it's arising from C7 over here. Tama, C7. Then over here you have C6. This one. Suprascapular. The first one from C6. That arises from C6. Tama. Suprascapular. First subscapular. This one, yung paganon. Kita nyo, paganon siya. First subscapular. Yung katabi ng axillary, arising from the C7, tama, from C7 as well. This one is your second subscapular. Notice naging dalawa siya, dapat iisa lang yan. Second subscapular, this one. Then towards here, definitely this is the third subscapular. This one, arising from C8 and T1. Ulit natin yun ha. Suprascapular, first subscapular, second subscapular, katabi ng axillary. Tama, katabi ng axillary. Dapat makapal to nag-fray talaga. So makapal dapat to, axillary. So katabi ng axillary, you have your second subscapular, then third subscapular. Putulin na natin yung isa para hindi maano.
Second subscapular is from...
Nag-fray lang yung subscapular nila. So let's remove this. Then this is C8. C8T1, third subscapular. Sorry, it's not C7, C8 ang third subscapular. Not C8T1, this is C7, C8, C7, then C7. First subscapular. C6, C7, C7, and C8. So this one is from C6, first subscapular. Then this one from C7, C8. I keep forgetting. From C7 lang. Second subscapular. Third subscapular will arise from C7, C8. Okay? Na-follow ba yun? Naintindihan? Nakita?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? No? So those are the three subscapulars along with the suprascapular. Ano na lang yung kulang? The long thoracic. It's this one. Long thoracic. Kita? Yung ventral thoracic pala nila, it's this one. Second ventral thoracic. Then first ventral thoracic. Second ventral thoracic will arise from C8T1. This one arises from C7.
Sir, katabi po yan ng
Ito, nakaganon dapat sila.
subscapular.
Oo. Ito, this one.
Nakatabi rin
Ito yung
ng
subscapular,
suprascapular. Sir, suprascapular po yung yan.
This one.
Sa baba yung suprascapular.
Ito yung C6 mo eh. Kasi ito yung C5.
Okay.
Okay?
So, magkatabi sa subscapular. So,
Okay, malinaw?
okay.
Okay, carry on.
I hope I got enough.